This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. A lot of rain heading for Winnipeg on Sunday, September the 8th, 2013. It's going to go up to 30 plus millimeters of rain for City of Winnipeg. It's going to be a lot of rain in Winnipeg, Manitoba, because the cool and breezy air is coming from the northern Canada. It's going to meet with the warm and hot and humid air coming from the United States of America. That's going to cause a lot of rain for City of Winnipeg, Manitoba, and the rest of southern Manitoba. It's going to be lots of rain as well. It's going up to 30 plus millimeters of rain for Winnipeg and southern Manitoba. People in Winnipeg, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready, have your raincoats ready, have your rain suits ready, because lots of rain's heading for Winnipeg. When you go for a walk, open up your umbrella so you keep the rain off. Don't step in the puddles, or your feet can get wet in City of Winnipeg. When you're driving a car, watch for puddles, because lots of rain's heading for Winnipeg. And don't get splashed in the puddles, especially when you're walking or driving your car. Try to avoid the puddles in Winnipeg because of the cool and breezy air coming from the northern Canada. It's going to meet with the warm and humid air coming from the United States of America. That's going to cause a lot of rain in Winnipeg and southern Manitoba on Sunday, September the 8th, 2013. People of Winnipeg, be prepared for a lot of rain. Don't get caught in the rain and don't get soaking wet. Stay dry. Protect yourself from the rain. Wear your rubber boots, wear your raincoats, and wear your rain suits. Have your umbrella ready to keep the rain off, because a lot of rain's heading for Winnipeg on Sunday, September the 8th, 2013. And the rain will continue on to Monday, September the 9th, 2013. In Winnipeg, Manitoba. Best of luck to you people in Winnipeg. Be prepared for a lot of rain. Take care.